All right, now that it's a little less chaotic here at Hamvention, I wanted to give you all a look at the YAESU area here. We gave you a little bit of a tour the other day, but now it's not quite so crazy. So get the FT5DR, the 70DR, the VX6, the FT60, 65, and FTXR.
Oh, very good. Yeah.
510.
Yeah, it's great equipment, isn't it?
150.
And I have tried iPhone, I've tried Color.
3185.
Back to
3165. This is the FTX1. And this particular model, I believe, is the Optima. Yeah, I think it's the Optima. So on the back side, you've got a tuner and an amplifier to make it 100 watts. And then the head does detach. Be a great mobile rig for somebody.
Thank you very much.
Here's a 710. We had a 710 at one point. This is the 710 AESS edition. Speaker does come off, again mounted on either side. And then over here is the old classic, the FTDX10. Solid radio, got a great receive, and it does have the external video output, so you can hook up a DVI monitor. All right, guys, so that's really the offerings for YAESU, the new Optima, or the new FTX1, and they also have the other usual suspects. No new HTs or anything like that this trip.